taking a small load of steel down there. They're paying nothing. But I just want to clean up my garbage. Okay, here's 3 containers of tin cans, an old office chair, an old wrought iron, I don't know, trampoline, and a muffler and some brake pads, and very little stuff here. Not even worth it, but the weather broke here in Illinois, and I might as well take a quick run down there. $7.50. That's nothing. Oh yeah, but price has gone up from $50 a ton to $60 a ton. Like, you know, when I was in there, I was the only person in the whole place. I asked them, what's going on here? Oh, prices are low. January the 25th, 2016.